Well, mine sounded fancy, but it's really a jar of sauce with some noodles and some meat. Here it goes.
Oh, okay. I make pasta with meatballs for my son, and he loves it. I make my own sauce. I put a little bit of cumin, and that's, the Moroccan touch there.
This is a staple in my house because we have 10 kids. Selah, Matthew, Bentley, Bella, Madison, Cameron, Christian, Caleb, Maddox, and Declan. I think I got that right. Alfredo sauce, maybe some shrimp, maybe some chicken, something like that.
So I've got some rice here. Immediately this makes me think of Mexican rice. I feel like the secret to a really good Mexican rice is making a homemade tomato sauce that you add to it, but then also using a yellow chili, letting the flavor of that infuse it as it's cooking and steaming, and it comes out really delicious.
My grandmother used to make rice for breakfast. She would cook the rice in milk and add a little bit of sugar. And that to me was the best breakfast ever. Family to me is really about legacy, what my parents passed on to me and what I'll be able to pass on to my children.
What is this? Sugar? Ice cream is a thing in our house, so much so that we had to buy our own ice cream makers.
My brother is actually an amazing baker. If we were going to have a huge family celebration, I know my brother would make cinnamon rolls.
What'd you pick?
Spaghetti and meatballs,
Okay.
which is not probably,
Yeah.
it's like, but I think for me it wasn't so much like the spaghetti and meatballs, it was just like that interaction I get with my son when I make it, and like it's super messy and he loves it.
I like the idea of trying a yellow chili in my
Yeah,
Spanish
I
rice.
like that too, yeah.
I was just thinking, I've got to try the science experiment of making homemade ice
gosh,
cream.
that's so fun.
That sounds really fun.
Something that my grandmother used to do, cooking rice in milk. You're probably gonna think it's gross, but
No, that sounds great. Being from a Mexican-American family, like we have arroz con leche, which is
yes.
rice and milk.
Yes, that's
and
true.
I
There might
love
be a
that.
connection there, who knows?
Yeah, that's amazing.
It's fun.